Hi, I'm Emma and I'm a digital trainer with Digital Communities Wales. So my main aim today was to inspire people to use technology in all forms. I try to show things to do with reminiscing and entertainment, especially alongside nostalgia. So trying to help people to find old pictures and videos of things and places that they might not have been to in a long time. A lot of people here did know of the tools and tricks that I spoke about today, but had never tried them before. So each and every one of them have now used YouTube, some of them for the first time. Others have tried tools such as BFI Player, which has helped them to find old archival videos of places that they've not been to in a long time. And others have just simply done some Google searching as well, which was a first for some of them as well. So there's been a few firsts here today.
I'm Hannah Roberts, I'm the Digital Officer in North Wales Housing. We're working alongside Digital Communities Wales to deliver workshops for all of our residents. As you can see behind me, all the residents are thoroughly enjoying each and every one of their courses. A few of our residents, they've faced problems with scams, fraud, so by coming here they've gained more confidence in surfing the internet, using their devices, and they're coming back and giving positive comments about what they've learned from the sessions.
So a few of the residents here come from English cities such as Manchester, Liverpool, and because of that they've not really been back to the places that they grew up in. So what I did was I put Manchester, Liverpool, Warrington on the big screen and just showed, like walking tours of those cities. And you could tell that a lot of them loved that because they were saying, oh, that's James Street or that's that street. And it was just lovely to see people engaging with that sort of really simple video in a really enriching way, basically. I think this type of work that DCW do is crucial to making sure that we as society are able to thrive, because we take it so for granted as people who use the internet that we can do this. And when you meet people who don't, it does bring to light how much we actually take it for granted and how so much of life, of modern life now, is online. And my main passion is to make sure that everyone gets that privilege that we are able to have as digital citizens.
We've been working alongside DCW to offer drop-in sessions for our residents. We've been working in each of our extra care homes. So there's Llyscoed in Llanfychan, here in Hafod Park in Ggiliau, and Cegannedd in Bangor. We've also been offering other residents online sessions, which they've all provided really good feedback with. DCW have been more than helpful. And yeah, they're just really enjoying.
I like playing games. And you can find a lot on the internet if you know how to use it properly. That's why I come here, so I can learn more, which is a good thing.
I've really enjoyed this afternoon. It's been very, very interesting, and we've learned quite a lot of things, especially about YouTube that I didn't know about.